So ano yung cup holder nila na ginagamit?
Ano ba?
Ito. Ito. Hawak. Pakihawak. This is the all-new carry utility van from Suzuki, ang pinakabagong breed ng workhorse vehicle ng Suzuki, isa sa pinagkakatiwalaan na Japanese automobile brand sa industriya.
Idagdag mo ba, Ariel, ang trust factor sa Laus Auto Group kaya kamakailan lang, 200 units of this carrier ang sold by Suzuki Auto San Fernando. Let's find out dito sa Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, kung bakit itong all-new carry utility van ang pinili ni Mr. Dennis Uy ng Converge for their latest service fleet. Tandaan na isuot ang face shield at face mask properly when visiting Suzuki Auto San Fernando. We must also provide our details before we enter and follow other safety precautions.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz.
I'm Nicolette Henson-Hizon.
And this is Stories on Wheels.
Lawrence, napansin namin dito sa Suzuki, kahit na pandemic, although syempre safety protocols are in place, medyo madaming pumupuntang clients.
Yes,
no?
po.
Bakit sa tingin mo, yung brand na Suzuki, popular siya sa mga anong klaseng customers or clients ba yung madalas na meron kayo dito?
Usually, first car owners po. And ladies po for small cars. Suzuki is known po for small cars. And for business cars, also the all-new carry and super carry. Originated po from Japan. So, known siya for the business po talaga.
Ang business. Okay. Okay.
Business car.
And I guess, yung din feedback is yung low maintenance. Tama
Yes,
ba?
po. And fuel efficiency.
Fuel efficiency.
Yes,
So,
po.
actually, Nicolette, kung fuel efficiency pag-uusapan, Suzuki is actually one of the more efficient cars. So, syempre, pag sinabi mong efficient, matipid siya sa
Matipid.
gas. So, syempre, kung nagninegosyo ka, dun ka sa nakakatipid, pero at the same time, kumbaga, napufulfill niya yung mga needs mo, di ba?
Yung napili ng Converge, no?
Oo. Which is
Through
a big account, ano?
Mr. Dennis Uy
Yes, bro.
na gamitin sa
Oo.
kanilang business, no? Anong particular model ba ito?
It is the all-new carry utility van po.
Bakit sa tingin mo ito yung napili nila?
Dati po kasi, yung Converge, kumuha na sila ng super carry. And now, nakita nila yung bolder ng all-new carry, nagustuhan nila dahil mas lumaki po. And ita sa aircon na po. Compared to
Upgraded
super carry.
version, kumbaga, no?
Yes po. Good siya for person and for business.
Okay.
Pwede siya for service
Oo.
and pangkarga.
Pangkarga. So, yun, kung nahihilig ka sa mga halaman, pero
Yung mga plantito and plantita, medyo
Yeah, po.
good deal to, good deal
okay.
para sa kanila. Ba natin kasama si Doraemon ngayon?
Yun po, ma'am. Suzuki is from Japan po. And Doraemon is from Japan. Ang main natin for Suzuki is Doraemon. Ang stop toy natin and model natin siya.
Okay. So, napapansin natin dito, meron ka mga stuffed toy at mga, ano ba to, mga
Freebies na
notebooks.
notebook.
Freebies ba yan? So,
Yes,
ano
po.
yun? Paano nila pwedeng makuha yung mga items na nandito ngayon?
Bali, for every purchase of Suzuki Desire, meron tayong free po na stop toy, then yung mga notebooks and top po na for hand po.
So, that's only for Suzuki Desire.
Yes po.
Okay. So, sa mga customers or potential customers natin na interested na bumili ng kotse at pwedeng i-consider ang Suzuki, so pwede mo bang sabihin sa amin ngayon yung mga promos na meron kayo dito sa Suzuki San Fernando?
Bali, yung promo po natin sa akin is yung frontliner promo.
Okay.
For frontliners, meron tayong 15,000 discount
Okay.
for
Wow.
every unit po na purchase.
Okay. So yung may mga select units lang, 'di ba?
Yes po.
Na kumbaga kasama dun sa promotion.
Po.
Okay. So si
Very, very
Nicolette,
good news yan
diba?
para sa mga
Parang-
frontliners natin. No?
Parang
Kasi
as a way of supporting them
meron
as
din
well.
na time kasi na mahirap humanap ng ng
Sasakyan,
masasakyan para sa
tama.
kanila. So, good deal na mag-invest sila sa ganito.
So Nicolette, gusto ba nating itry ngayon yung all-new carry?
Oo naman. Bakit kaya, curious din ako bakit talaga ito napili ni Mr. Dennis Uy para sa Converge, no, sa kanyang business? At syempre, para masabi din natin sa ating mga viewers kung paano ba talaga yung
feedback natin.
Yung own feedback natin and
about
bakit natin to kailangang i-promote sa ating mga business owners, sa mga for private use na rin, diba? So, tara!
Okay.
For the all-new carry, may tatlong options kayo for the body type. Cargo van, carry truck, at utility van na siyang pinili ng Converge ICT.
Pinag-isipan talaga itong headlamps at bumper na mas mataas para iwas sira kapag minamaneho sa lubak-lubak na daan. Pati ang air intake system nito, itinaas nila in case na mapadaan ka sa baha or tubig. Siyempre, heavy duty din ang front at rear suspensions, so always expect good performance from it, lalo na pag mabigat ang load sa van.
Ang dami ring compartments ng dash, good for storing documents, resibo, mga inumin at kung ano-ano pa.
Pansin niyo din ba na itinaas nila ang shift lever sa dashboard at inilipat nila ang wheelhouse para sa extra legroom ng driver at ng passenger? Flexible din talaga when it comes to space dito sa loob ang Suzuki All-New Carry Van. 50-50 ang split folding ng mga upuan on both sides, kaya you have additional cargo space.
Grabe Ariel, Suzuki made sure na talagang komportable ang mga sasakay dito for work dahil convenient lahat itong features.
From your childhood?
You know, I migrated here. My Uncle Johnny Supermart is my uncle. He's the eldest brother of my father. So early days, you know, in China, it's a Cultural Revolution, in 1970s. No? So the hardship is very bad. It's not really. So my uncle decided to bring my family here in Angeles City. So when I came here, so normal, you know, they provide me all the educations, no? And I need to help in the groceries because they started groceries. No? So during my younger age, my passion is I love magpuputing-ting ng mga kalikot. I'm doing a lot of electronics things, but I finished my grade school in 3 years because of my age, 11 years old. So I finished I started in Santo Rosario Elementary School in Tenin. You know, that's a public school. Then went to Holy Family and finished in 3 years and went to civil year for high school.
High school.
Yeah, during my high school days, if there's a free time, I need to help my uncles to do fixing all these things, even janitorial service or whatever. I sleep in the counter of a supermarket, put in the cupboard. So just waiting my cousin come in, I open the door for them. You know. So I passionate in these computer things. That during the ample time, I went to a CSSI computer school in Miranda. So I studied the computer programming. I went to Lorraine Technical Institute. I study about electronics, refrigeration, all these things. And junior high school, I have already business acumen already. I selling a lot of computers. Junior, all the businessmen here in San Fernando, Pampanga, mostly. Sina Tatan Levy, sina Beito Dasatin. So I selling computer to them at my high school days. I getting computer from Green Hills and then I sell them and teach them how to use the computers.
Okay, that's very quick and a background about yourself, and we really appreciate knowing your background, starting from your immigration to China and then adjusting to the Philippines and eventually just from your parang kumbaga hilig lang in yung una tapos
it's really passion kasi I love do things of newest technology. I'm thinking the technology how I can transcend to the consumer use. And hindi ko na hilig nagbabantay ng tindahan, yung mga retail. My brother and my sister, that's why they're savers, right? So, mahindipin ako So, gusto ko parati may new things. So especially technology siya. And
So, because of this expansion, we're just so happy that you chose Laus Group and Suzuki. Can you just share a little bit, what are the factors that you consider why you chose Suzuki and basically Laus Group?
no, ever since when I started in Pampanga, I'm buying a lot of cars from Parang Debbie. No? Parang Debbie is a good friend. So not only just friend, but the quality, the service of the Laos, I'm so happy. So every time there's a purchasing in Manila, because until now I check all the purchases I pass to my hand. And one time they came to me, so many vehicles. I said, stop doing that. I want these things. I want my kabalen and all the businessmen where I came from to benefiting of this business I have. No, sabi ko, that's why I call Kon, take care of this. I will give all this order for you. So that's why, because this is the relationship, and who going to help each other during this pandemic, this is times of not good times, no? So I said it's better helping each other with the local businessman. Yeah.
You want to get your message to like budding entrepreneurs who want to become as big as you in the future, or just message of inspiration, and you are a Kapampangan pride, and congratulations and a potential
Thank you.
maker.
Yeah, I think only I can tell to the young age now, stay in focus, stay focus on the study. So stay in don't scared on the failure. When you have failure, stand up and move on. And I'm not perfect too, right? So I have during my these ages of my business, I have some failures too, right? So end of the day, you just stay in focus and don't lose the hope when you got this failure, right? And second, don't mix up a lot of things to your mind, no? Kung saan expertise mo, saan hilig mo, and find a way that you'll be success.
Nicolette, ngayon naiintindihan ko na kung bakit ito yung kinuhang sasakyan ni Mr. Dennis Anthony Uy ng Converge to service their Luzon-wide operations.
Imagine 200 initial
200
units
and then
for their
as
operations. So ito yung napili nilang workhorse, ika nga.
And then Nicolette, nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya yung message niya to mga entrepreneurs or people who wants to do their own business, di ba? Sinabi niya doon is he himself also failed at some point, pero he didn't give up.
So talagang part naman ng success, no? Merong failures along the way.
So sabi niya parang don't be disheartened. That's what I get from what he said. Don't be disheartened. Just keep on going. Minsan madadapa ka, pero kailangan mong you have to get up and keep on going. Yun yung sabi niya.
And hard work pays off.
Oo, definitely.
Yung previous model nito is the Super Carry, tama ba?
Yes po.
And yun, alam mo Ariel, air continuous. Kasi wala daw aircon yun eh.
Walang aircon yun?
Oo, so this time, mas maganda talagang model to dahil syempre, yung mga nagtatrabaho, kadalasan pa naman ngayon, mainit, no? So, meron ng aircon. So, mas komportable, presko, lalo na kung mahaba-haba yung kanilang biyahe, di ba?
Yep.
So, ito, hindi na siya air continuous.
Oo. So, they made a lot of convenience features, ika nga. Alam mo ba kung ano yung cup holder during that time? Ano yung ginagawa ng mga tao? Siyempre, pag nagbabiyahe ka, kailangan mo uminom. So, ano yung cup holder nila na ginagamit?
Ano ba?
Ito. Para ito, hawak. Pakihawak.
Ganon ako!
There you go,
okay,
humans.
Tama nga naman, no? Nga
diba?
naman. Ngayon, hindi na kailangan umasa sa iba.
Oo, lalo na syempre kung driver ka, di ba, nagsiservice ka ng mga malalayong lugar. So minsan, kailangan mo ng kape o kailangan mo ng tubig. So napaka-convenient kasi nandito lang siya sa harap mo.
Here are the services offered by Suzuki Auto San Fernando. Like and follow their Facebook page, Suzuki Auto San Fernando, You may also contact their sales representatives with these numbers.
Ang laking tulong talaga nitong Suzuki All-New Carry Utility Van sa iba't ibang negosyo, Nicolette. Samahan nyo kami ulit next Saturday at 8:30 p.m.
Let us know in the comments kung anong sasakyan ang gusto nyo i-feature namin. Make sure to subscribe here sa CLTV36 because we will be presenting more videos of different brands which might be your next ride.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz.
I'm Nicolette Henson-Hizon, and this is
Stories on Wheels.